The future of robotics and automation, AI, industrial machines and self-driving cars explained. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Victor, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic, robotics and automation. We're talking robots that are straight out of a sci-fi movie, doing things we never thought possible just a few years ago. Get ready to have your mind blown. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, we break down complex topics in the coolest and easiest way possible. If you love learning about technology, AI, and automation, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're exploring how AI-powered robots are changing our world, how industries are using automation to replace human labor, and how self-driving cars are transforming transportation. Stick with me because this one is mind-blowing. Alright, so before we get into the really cool stuff, let's break down what robotics and automation actually are. I know it sounds super technical, but trust me, it's actually pretty simple. Robotics is basically the science of building machines that can perform tasks, like actual physical tasks, on their own or with minimal human input. Think of it like this. Robots are the physical embodiment of technology, doing the things we used to think only humans could do. Automation, on the other hand, is the use of technology to control processes, reducing the need for us humans to step in and do things manually. Imagine a factory where machines work tirelessly, putting together complex products with incredible precision, all without breaking a sweat. That's automation in action. Now, why should you even care about all of this? Well, the world is shifting towards AI-driven automation at an incredible pace, and robots are rapidly taking over tasks that were once done by humans. This change is happening everywhere, from factories to hospitals, and even in our homes. And this isn't just some far-off futuristic concept, guys. This is happening right now. Companies are investing billions of dollars in developing these technologies, and the advancements they're making are truly mind-blowing. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast like me or just curious about the future, understanding robotics and automation is key to navigating the world of tomorrow. And trust me, it's a future you don't want to be left behind in. Okay, so we've talked about robots, but what makes a robot AI-powered? That's where things get really interesting. Unlike those old-school robots that could only follow pre-programmed instructions, AI-powered robots are on a whole other level. These machines can learn, adapt, and even make decisions based on the information they receive. But how do they do it? Well, it all comes down to some seriously advanced technologies like machine learning, computer vision, and neural networks. These technologies allow AI-powered robots to analyze their surroundings, process information, and learn from their experiences, much like the human brain. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Have you guys seen Boston Dynamics' robot dog Spot? This thing is incredible. It can navigate complex environments, collect data, and even perform inspections, all while being controlled remotely. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. And then there are surgical robots. These high-tech marvels assist surgeons in performing incredibly precise surgeries, minimizing the risk of human error and improving patient outcomes. We're talking about life-saving technology here, people. But it's not just about fancy robots in labs and operating rooms. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly common in our everyday lives. You might encounter one at your local bank, the airport, or even your favorite restaurant. These customer service robots are designed to interact with people, answer questions, and provide assistance. Now I know what you're thinking. Are robots going to take over the world? It's a question that's been on everyone's mind since the Terminator movies, right? But seriously, will AI robots replace humans altogether? The short answer is, it's complicated. While it's true that AI-powered robots are already replacing certain jobs, particularly those that are repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision, there will always be roles where human creativity, empathy, and decision-making are irreplaceable. At least, that's what we hope. Chapter 3. Industrial Automation, How Factories Run Without Humans. Let's move on to the world of manufacturing, where industrial automation is completely changing the game. We're talking about factories that are so automated, they practically run themselves. It's like something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. So what exactly is industrial automation? Basically, it's the use of machines, robotics, and AI to replace human labor in factories and production lines. Think of it like this. Instead of having hundreds or even thousands of workers on an assembly line, you have robots doing the heavy lifting, literally. One of the most impressive examples of industrial automation is Tesla's gigafactories. These massive facilities are designed for high-volume production of electric vehicles, and they're filled with robots that work around the clock, assembling cars with incredible speed and precision. But what are the key technologies that make industrial automation possible? Well, robotic arms are a big one. These versatile machines can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from welding and painting to assembling intricate electronic components. Then there are conveyor belt systems. These automated systems transport materials and products throughout the factory, ensuring a smooth and efficient production process. And let's not forget about AI-powered quality control systems. Cameras and sensors powered by artificial intelligence can detect even the tiniest defects in products, ensuring that only the highest quality goods leave the factory. Now, while industrial automation has its advantages, such as increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved worker safety, it also raises some concerns. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, they could replace human workers in a wide range of industries. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs may be lost to automation, new jobs will undoubtedly be created in fields related to robotics, AI, and software engineering. It's all about adaptation, people. The key is to embrace these technological advancements and equip ourselves with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the future of work. Chapter 4. Self-driving cars. How autonomous vehicles work. Alright guys, let's talk about the future of transportation, self-driving cars. I know, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's closer than you think. Imagine a world where you can sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving for you. No more stressful commutes, no more road rage, just pure convenience and efficiency. So what exactly is a self-driving car? Well, it's basically a car that drives itself using a combination of sensors, artificial intelligence, and real-time data. These cars are like rolling computers, constantly analyzing their surroundings and making split-second decisions to navigate the road safely. But how do they actually work? Well, it all starts with LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. LiDAR is like radar, but it uses lasers to create a 3D map of the car's surroundings. Think of it like a bat using echolocation to navigate in the dark. In addition to LiDAR, self-driving cars are also equipped with cameras and sensors that detect obstacles, lane markings, traffic signals, and even pedestrians. All of this data is fed into the car's AI brain, which uses complex algorithms to make driving decisions. Now, when it comes to self-driving cars, there are different levels of automation. We're talking about a scale from 0 to 5, with 0 being no automation at all and 5 being full automation, where the car can drive itself in any situation, no human intervention needed. Right now, most cars on the road are at level 1 or 2 with features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. But companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are pushing the boundaries, testing level 4 and 5 automation, with the goal of creating truly driverless cars. So, the big question is, will self-driving cars completely take over the roads? Well, many experts believe that by 2030, a significant portion of taxis and delivery trucks will be fully autonomous. And as the technology continues to improve and become more affordable, we can expect to see more and more self-driving cars on the roads in the coming years. The potential benefits of self-driving cars are huge, guys. We're talking about reduced traffic accidents, improved traffic flow, increased fuel efficiency, and even greater accessibility for people with disabilities. It's a future that I'm personally excited about. So today, we explored how AI-powered robots, industrial automation, and self-driving cars are shaping the future. From robots performing surgeries to factories run by machines and cars that drive themselves, the future is already here, and it's pretty amazing. What are your thoughts? Do you think AI robots and automation are good for society, or are they a threat to jobs? Let's discuss in the comments. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts on all of this. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe, because we have tons of exciting tech content coming your way. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.